Hello, dear students. Welcome to my class. In this class, we'll discuss diary entry. What is diary entry? A diary entry is a form of writing where an individual records an account of the day. We record our personal feelings. So, this is a personal document. So, whenever you feel that you want to express your emotions and feelings, then diary is always your best friend. You can just write diary and you can share anything with your diary. Okay, so I'm moving to the format of the diary entry. So, in the first line, you will write day and time. On the left hand side, you will write your day, and on the right hand side, you will be writing your time. Okay. In the next line, you will write date, and after date, dear diary. So here you have to leave one line and write your, then you will write your content. After dear diary, leave one line. Okay. So here you will write your content that I was very happy today. It was a sad day for me. These type of startings. Okay. And after that, again, you will leave one line and at last you will write your name. So this is the format of diary entry. Now, there are some points that you have to keep in mind, okay? Points to remember. So, first point is write the day properly. You are not supposed to use any kind of short form in English, okay? So, you have to write, if the day is Saturday, then you have to write Saturday like this. And don't use this word SAT. This is an incorrect way. Okay. So, second point is write date properly. So, 19 October 2020. This is the correct way of writing date. And you can write in this way also October 19, comma 2020. But you are not supposed to write like this 19, 10, 20 or 19 Oct 2020. So these are the incorrect ways and correct ways I have given you already. Okay. Now the third point is use personal pronoun I. So obviously this is your diary, you are sharing your feelings. So most of the time you will use this pronoun I. But this is not compulsory to use only I. This depends on the question. Okay, you can use other pronouns also, but most of the time we use the word I. Okay. Now, fourth one is express your point of view and lay stress on feelings and emotions. So, you are free to express your emotions. This is not a formal document, this is informal document. So, you can freely, okay, without any hesitation, you can just share your feelings. Now, point number five, write your feeling in the first line. After dear diary, you can just write these are the examples only. You can make your own lines also. So I'm really proud of what I did today. Suppose you got a question that you got first prize in your exam or in any competition, then you can start your diary like this. I'm really proud of what I did today. Okay, or what a wonderful day it was, or I was very happy and excited today. So always write one feeling in the beginning of your diary. So these were the points that you must remember while writing diary entry. Now I'm giving you one question. This is your homework. Okay. Suppose you are Amit or Neha living in Jalandhar. You had to attend a wedding ceremony in Mumbai. Your father took you there by airplane. You were very excited as it was your first journey by plane. Write a diary entry in 150 words sharing your experience. So you had a very nice experience. Okay, it was your first experience that you went somewhere by airplane. So you have to write your experience and your feelings also. So I'm giving you some hints also. You can use these hints and then you can write your diary entry in your fair notebook. Okay, so hints. So first of all, Monday, 9:30 p.m. Okay, these are the just parts of format. Then 19 October 2020. Okay, and dear diary. After that, you have to leave one line. These are the hints. The day was full of excitement and nervousness. Okay. We had to attend one wedding in Mumbai. So my father decided that we should go by air. Okay. And then he booked tickets to Mumbai. Okay. Then you can name the airport also. Maybe you just went there from Amritsar, or maybe you just, you might be went there by from Delhi. So you have to write the name of the airport, then name of the aircraft also. Air India, okay, Etihad, so Indigo. There are so many flights, different flights. So air hostess greeted, okay, you. So these are the just hints. You can just use these hints and just write diary entry, okay. So at last you have to write your name. If you are a boy, then you can write Amit, and if you are a girl, you can write Neha. So this is your homework. Do this homework in your fair notebook. And I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, take care.